Hi, I'm Jiri Benedikt and this is SIPOC. SIPOC is a great tool to understand your process. If you need to automate, improve or change a process in your company, you need to understand it well, understand what are the inputs, outputs and what are the stakeholders involved. And SIPOC is an effective and efficient way how to map the process. I will teach you how to do it on a simple example of a Subway sandwich. So imagine you come to Subway and you order a sandwich for a takeaway. So first we start with a clean sheet of flip chart paper or a virtual board which looks like that. SIPOC is a shortcut of suppliers, inputs, process, outputs and customer. So let's put the name of the process that we are mapping. And first let's start with highlighting the 4 to 7 main steps of the process. We don't need to go into detail. That level of detail is enough for SIPOC. So no branching, no detailed steps, just this. For us, it will be receiving the order, making a toast, packing a toast, and selling it to the customer. Then, for each of the process step, we will discuss what are the outputs, why does the process step exist, who is it for, what do we need for an input for the output to be possible, and who gives it to us. So we do it in that order. This is the easiest order. So receive an order, the output is an internal order, maybe on a piece of paper, and it comes to the kitchen. What do we need? An order from a customer. That's simple. Making a toast, the output is obviously a toast, and it goes to the packing guy. What do we need for a toast? We need to have the order to understand which toast to make. We also need the stuff to make the toast. This gives us from the front desk. This is from the food suppliers. Pack the toast. The output is packed toast and it goes to the front desk. What do we need? A toast, a paper. Take toast from the kitchen, paper from the paper supplier. Next step is a packed toast, and it goes to the receipt and revenue data, and it goes to customer and maybe to the government. What do we need? We need a toast, we need money, and we need printer paper. Who gives it to us? The packing guy and a customer and maybe a paper supplier. So as you can see, that was a quick and easy way how to understand the process. It should take you somewhere between 10 to 20 minutes if you do it yourself or with your team. So what you get here is like the list of all the stakeholders of the process, who's involved, which department, people, external companies, or maybe IT systems are involved. The inputs and outputs, they can be physical things or information or data entry, like here. And there's usually one that goes through the entire process, like here. Internal order is an input of one, and it goes as an input to make a toast. Toast is the output here, and it serves as an input to the next one, and so on. So you have one main, let's say, flow unit of the process, which is the toast in our case, or order transforming to a toast. And we have some additional inputs like material and additional outputs like, let's say, the revenue data. So what SIPOC doesn't show is the roles involved. Who does what? You can maybe put it in there if you want. That's of course allowed. So this is done by a front desk. This is the kitchen. This is done by the packing guy. And this is done by the front desk once again. So feel free to add one more line showing the roles. Although this is not a standard part of the SIPOC process. So if you do it, usually you have 1 to 3 outputs. You don't have to do an inputs. You don't have to go to additional detail. So after you're finished, you should be able to see a big picture and a highlight of your process. And if you do more of them, you will also see the interconnection of your process, and you can start improving and automating your processes. So good luck with that, and thanks for watching.